Welcome back, everyone. It's great to see you all here again. We hope you're as excited as we are for today's topic. Today, we're diving into the top 10 reasons why PiNetwork is likely to be listed on Binance soon. This is a topic that's been generating a lot of buzz in the crypto community, and for good reason. PiNetwork has been making waves with its innovative approach and rapidly growing user base. We're talking about a potential listing on one of the biggest crypto exchanges globally, so you know this is a big deal. Binance is known for its rigorous selection process, and getting listed there is a significant milestone for any cryptocurrency. It not only boosts the coin's credibility, but also opens up new opportunities for growth and adoption. We'll break down all the factors from PiNetwork's recent mainnet launch to its massive user base and growing ecosystem. The mainnet launch is a crucial step that signifies the network's transition from a testnet to a fully operational blockchain. This move has been eagerly anticipated by the community and marks a new chapter in PiNetwork's journey. Additionally, the user base of PiNetwork has been growing exponentially with millions of users worldwide. This kind of growth is hard to ignore, and is a strong indicator of the network's potential. The ecosystem around PiNetwork is also expanding, with more developers and projects getting involved. This creates a vibrant and dynamic environment that fosters innovation and collaboration. Let's get started.
First up, let's talk about Binance's recent move. Binance, one of the world's largest and most influential cryptocurrency exchanges, has been making headlines once again. This time, it's about their potential integration with the PiNetwork. For those who might not be familiar, the PiNetwork is a relatively new player in the crypto space, aiming to make cryptocurrency mining accessible to everyone through their mobile app. The fact that Binance is even considering this integration is a big deal. They've reportedly created a wallet on the PiNetwork. This move has not gone unnoticed. Creating a wallet might seem like a small step, but in the world of cryptocurrency, it can be quite significant. It indicates that Binance is taking the PiNetwork seriously enough to test its functionalities and explore its potential. This could be the first step towards a deeper collaboration or even a listing on Binance's exchange. Now, this doesn't automatically guarantee a listing, but it's definitely a strong signal. In the crypto world, actions speak louder than words. When a major player like Binance starts to engage with a new network, it often leads to increased interest and speculation. Investors and enthusiasts alike start to pay closer attention, wondering what might come next. Could this be the beginning of a new partnership? Only time will tell. It shows that Binance is at least interested in the PiNetwork and is exploring the possibility of integration. This kind of interest from a top-tier exchange can be a game-changer for any cryptocurrency. It can lead to increased visibility, more users, and ultimately a higher valuation. For the PiNetwork, this could be the validation they've been waiting for. It could open doors to new opportunities and partnerships within the crypto ecosystem. And when Binance shows interest, the crypto world listens. Binance has a reputation for being a trendsetter in the industry. Their decisions often influence the market and set the tone for other exchanges and investors. If Binance decides to fully integrate with the PiNetwork, it could lead to a domino effect with other exchanges following suit. This kind of endorsement can be incredibly powerful, driving adoption and growth for the PiNetwork. This move alone has sparked a ton of speculation and excitement in the PI community. Social media is buzzing with discussions about what this could mean for the future of PI. Some are hopeful that this will lead to a listing on Binance, while others are excited about the potential for new features and integrations. Whatever the outcome, one thing is clear. Binance's interest has put the PiNetwork in the spotlight, and the crypto community will be watching closely to see what happens next.
Next up, we have the PiNetwork's open mainnet launch. This is huge. The PiNetwork has been in development for years, and this milestone marks a significant step forward for the project. The mainnet launch means that the Pi coins, which users have been mining on their phones, are now officially tradable. This is a game changer for the Pi community and the broader cryptocurrency market. It means Pi coins are officially tradable, which is a key requirement for listing on major exchanges like Binance. For those who have been following the project, this is the moment they've been waiting for. The ability to trade Pi coins opens up a world of possibilities, from buying goods and services to trading for other cryptocurrencies. It's a significant step towards mainstream adoption. Think about it. Why would Binance list a coin that can't even be traded on its platform? The mainnet launch addresses this issue head-on. By making Pi coins tradable, the Pi network is positioning itself as a serious contender in the crypto space. This move not only boosts the credibility of the project, but also increases its attractiveness to potential investors and users. The mainnet launch basically checks off a major box for Pi network in terms of Binance's listing criteria. But it's not just about meeting criteria, it's about proving the project's viability and potential. The Pi network has always aimed to create a more inclusive and accessible cryptocurrency, and this launch is a testament to that vision. As the network continues to grow and evolve, the mainnet launch will be remembered as a pivotal moment in its journey.
Let's talk numbers for a second. PiNetwork boasts over 60 million users worldwide. That's massive. Binance is all about capturing market share, and listing Pi would give them access to this huge active community. From a business perspective, it's a no-brainer. More users mean more trading volume, and that translates to more revenue for Binance.
Now Binance is serious about security and compliance. They need to know that the projects they list are legitimate and have taken steps to prevent fraud. PiNetwork's robust KYC process is a big plus here. It ensures a verified user base which aligns perfectly with Binance's requirements. This focus on security builds trust and makes a Binance listing even more likely.
But it's not just about the numbers and the tech. PiNetwork is building a real ecosystem. We're talking about real-world transactions and decentralized applications that actually provide utility. This is key for long-term success, and something Binance definitely looks for. A thriving ecosystem makes Pi more than just a speculative asset. It becomes a functional currency with real-world value.
And speaking of real-world applications, PiNetwork's partnership with Banxa is another positive sign. Banxa is a fiat-to-crypto on-ramp platform that helps with KYC and wallet creation. This partnership shows that PI is serious about scalability, which is crucial for handling a potential surge in users if they get listed on Binance.
Remember Pifest 2024? This event was huge for PiNetwork.
It demonstrated the platform's global adoption with over 27,000 active sellers using Pi.
That's real-world use, people!
Events like this boost Pi's credibility and show Binance that there's genuine demand for the coin.
Let's not forget Binance's history. They've listed plenty of promising projects in the past, like Sign and Hadel Protocol. This shows that they're open to listing newer assets with potential, and PiNetwork definitely fits the bill. Binance is always on the lookout for the next big thing, and Pi's momentum is hard to ignore.
And it's not just Binance that's taking notice. Pi coins are already listed on other exchanges like Gate.io and OKX. This gradual listing strategy is actually a smart move. It builds credibility and paves the way for a potential Binance listing down the line. It's like a stepping stone approach to reaching the big leagues.
Finally, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the X factor. The Pi community on X, formerly Twitter, is buzzing with anticipation for a Binance listing. You see posts about it every day. This kind of community hype can't be ignored. Binance pays attention to market demand, and the Pi community is making it clear that they want this listing.
So there you have it, 10 compelling reasons why PiNetwork might just hit Binance soon. From its massive user base and growing ecosystem to its recent mainnet launch and strong community support, PiNetwork is checking all the right boxes. PiNetwork's momentum is undeniable. Could a Binance listing be next? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.